SS 6th gen 4-pot Brembo's rear. I already did the other side. I debated about getting Power Stop Z26s or what else people use? The Hawk 5.0s, but nah. I got a couple homeboys that use Power Stops. Some people on the forum said they like them, but me, people I know, they said they're okay. Less dust for sure, but less bite. Hawk 5.0s, heard they're good, but I just decided to stick with the OEM Brembo's, which is on the top of the range basically, as far as, you know, between Power Stops is $80 for the pair. The Hawk 5.0s or about like 130 or so, 140, and then the OEM Brembo's were 180 with the tax, so like 170, 160 depending on where you live. But yeah, ordered from Summit, came in the box. Part number was 847-32503. 847-32503. But it's pretty simple. Jack the car, take the wheel, you know, basics. Take the wheel off. Make sure the car is safe, jacked up in the air. These pins are holding the calipers in with this little clip. You want to knock those out with a mallet and something that you can stick in here. I used a drill bit or a nail, a very small screwdriver. Tap those out, pull out the pin. You can easily pull the brake out. I would do the inside one first. The driver's side, or I'm sorry, the outer edge takes a little more wiggling, but also you want to push it in to push in. That was my mistake over there. I didn't push in the, I should have used the brakes while I was in there to push the caliper out a little bit. So getting it in, I had to use my fingers to kind of push, but you can see it once you're in there. Push on the little rubber in there, and you can slide it in. Use the mallet to tap it in if you need to. But yeah.